Hello everyone, welcome to Tap and Solve. I am Jamil. In today's video, I will show you how to check your Emirates ID fine in less than 2 minutes using Google Chrome. Let's start it. Click on Chrome browser. Click here. Right here, check Emirates ID fine. Click charge. Then in top of the result, you will see the Fine Inquiry Service. Click here. Here you can check your Emirates ID fine using your Emirates ID passport number or file number. To check your Emirates ID fine using your Emirates ID number, click here. Then enter here your Emirates ID number. Once you enter it, then enter here your birth of date. Then select here your gender. Then to pass security check, click here. Then click submit. There is no fine in this Emirates ID number. If your Emirates ID have any fine, it will appear here. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need help, leave a comment below. I will definitely reply. Thanks for watching. Best of luck.